Welcome to part 3 of the Bristol sound by a Yorkshireman. It's going to be some re-space and then cool. So as you can see, it's the drum beat from the last video and sub, which was the faceplant re-space from this month's Patreon pack. Done is I've used this section here, like in the previous videos. Instead of grouping everything, this is about grouping the sub and the drums. So I've created this group here, which has reverb, auto filter and mono, which means this intro section, these fog basses I've put on are just normal. This will all get grouped, don't worry. You can hear what's going on there. We're moving the filter and then it all switches off here, okay? So we're just leading it up to that. We can stick some risers on it as well. Gonna sound cool. These basses were from Serum 2. I just made a quick fog bass. I applied a lot of saturation, transients and clippers like we just done with the drums on the other video. Then I bounced it, put some reverb on it, chopped it up, cut the first bit out of it so it's more spiky on the more rhythmical, and then I just A-B'd it with itself but octave lower. Then I didn't want it to repeat here, so I just put this zap sound. A bit more of this going on. Right, and then I'm going to put some re-space in here, but we're leading up to this section, and it's all been doubled up to here. We've added this open hat and these high pitch hats as well, just for more momentum. Zap. As well, I've got this noise here which I made from the grain thing in Serum 2. Just a bit of a drone in the background, and it's to the right a little bit. It's not the main focal point though. Another Serum 2 and get a little re-space going. Let's jump into the October 2 pack and see what we can come up with. Now the idea with making the mid bass, it's going to be we can apply lots of saturation, heat it up in different ways, and then bounce it to audio, maybe chop it up, something like that, and get something a bit unusual. Let's pick a different bass first. Let's have a look, see what we're working with. Cool. Alright, let's just add that like this. See if we can get away with that. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's get the density on there now. The idea is to heat it up now. Free plug in that one. Cool, let's have it a bit more like this and put the wider on it. Make it a bit more stable. Just that top bit we want to spread. Try a bit of erosion now. It's like we're just kind of getting creative with it now before we bounce it. Cool, let's try normal Ableton stock saturator. nice. So you can see we're just being quite experimental, giving it as much character and flavour as we can. And this is where you sort of can overdo it a bit. As in, it's fine to overdo it. Cool. Now I'm going to right click, freeze that to audio, even though it was audio anyway, but just to save CPU, I'm going to get creative and then flatten it. Put it in the mid bass group. Let's have a listen. Could have a little summit in there. I wonder if we've got anything in the free sample packs linked below. I like this one. Bit of a funky one. Okay, let's have a look at this. This one's a snare one. So I'll put it on the snare. Let's see what we can do. Okay, we're listening. Let's give it a listen. That's in the wrong spot. I want that just here. Ooh, one more listen. Cool, so we're just decorating the energy pockets there. So you got your sub doing the main bit of work, and it's very filtered down. And in case you're never going to watch yesterday's video or the last video, this is the Bristol technique what ChatGPT told me about. So if you're from Bristol, let me know, is it true to group the sub and the drum group, and then to work on it with the console, boosting the bass and everything, boosting it all nice, gluing it together. Got this multiband saturator also gluing it together, and then the controversialness of the transient shape afterwards, guys. ChatGPT told me, so don't blame me. Give it a go, see if it works for you. Seems to work this time. This is dipping down, just knocking the frequency down about 3k. Little tiny reverb to glue it together, and then obviously this one again, which is that intro stuff going on. So I'll play you out, and then that's it for this one.